Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Yahoo Finance, only way. Open Yahoo Finance, sign in, and start a new watchlist now. Add ticker symbols for stocks, ETF, and crypto you follow and organize them into folders. Set price alerts and news notifications so you never miss moves. Link external accounts if you want portfolio tracking and reconcile holdings regularly for accuracy and clarity. Create separate watch lists for retirement, trading, and research to stay focused. Add tickers or search by company name to fill each list and drag items to prioritize. Use folders or labels to separate sectors like tech, healthcare, and energy. Regularly review and prune inactive tickers to reduce clutter. This keeps alerts meaningful and helps you spot opportunities faster without overwhelming your dashboard or notifications. Set precise price alerts and choose how you receive them, like push or email, so you act quickly. Enter portfolio holdings manually or import from a file for aggregated performance and allocation views. Monitor dividend schedules and export transaction history when needed for taxes or record keeping. Use comparison charts to evaluate holdings against benchmarks and adjust positions based on risk and return goals for a balanced approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.